Assalamu alaikum my beautiful viewers, I hope you are all doing fine. Don't forget to subscribe, as if you don't subscribe you will regret it. So in today's video, as you've seen my part 1, the part 1 of the video I reviewed the soap rock mud mask of SL Basics. In the part 2 of the video I'm going to review the vitamin C serum and the red rush tint of SL Basics. So as we talked about the packaging of SL Basics, it was like 10 on 10. They have put much effort in their packaging, as packaging is the number one thing that is seen in the product. So this is the SL Basics logo. It is a beautiful logo. Inside I have the vitamin C serum in the orange bottle, and next to it is the red rush tint. All the products of SL Basics are fully natural, 100% natural, and there is no harsh side effect of SL Basics products. So here's the vitamin C serum. Talking about vitamin C, it is all natural and it gives you inner glow. It hydrates your skin and it evens out your skin tone. Don't mistaken the vitamin C serum as a whitening serum. It doesn't whiten your skin, it just gives you an evening effect. As if your skin is exposed to sun, as we teenagers go to school, college, our skin gets tanned so much because of the melanin production of the UV rays we are facing in sunlight. The vitamin C serum just decreases the melanin production and enhances your inner complexion, your natural complexion, and it gives you an inner glow and hydrates your skin. Talking about the consistency is just like a normal perfect serum. It is not watery, it is not greasy, it is just perfect. As you can see, I have finished the one whole bottle, and it has given me the 100% result. It has evened out my skin tone, and it is a perfect serum. It is odorless, and one thing about vitamin C serum, I would request it, just please don't go in direct sunlight when you have applied vitamin C serum or any ingredient that contains vitamin C, as it can cause pigmentation. So now for the red rush tint. The red rush tint is the best makeup product or cosmetic product for teenagers. It moisturizes your skin, it gives you a natural baby pink glow, baby pink look on your cheeks. It's the best cosmetic product for teenagers, like normally going out for shopping, dinners, or with friends. It has all natural ingredients like pomegranate and beetroot to give you that pinkish tone, and then the glycol and butylene for moisturizing your skin. It's recommended to take 1 or 2 drops and evenly apply it out with your fingers or with a sponge. Don't use brush as it can be very streaky. It's talking about its consistency. Its consistency is best. It is not runny. You can apply. It's the best consistency, and this tint, I would say, has the best pigment. The pigment is very good. It is not very harsh red on your skin. It is not very dull. It doesn't give you a browning effect. As I am applying it on my skin, you can see I have applied this big drop. So this can give me a very red effect. So if you take, I would recommend take a bit smaller amount of the drop, and it will give you a very good rosy glow. And as you blend it out, it's very good in blending. It does not dry out very quickly. It settles down on your skin in like 10 seconds to 15 seconds. It gives you time to blend it out evenly on your skin. It is not it does not dry quickly, so its consistency is very good. As you can see, the drop I applied, it was so much that it gave me a very maroon effect. So now I will apply it in a bit less quantity and then blend it out, so it will give you a very light pink effect that will be perfect for like daily use. And as this bottle's quantity is 15 ml, so it goes a long way. And as for teenagers, you don't have to apply it every day for going to school or anything, so it's the best quantity. So I have applied the less quantity. I don't think so that you can see it on camera, but it is the best consistency and the best color you can ever get. And this red rush tint is very economical for the teenagers. They can buy it easily by their pocket money, and it is very pocket friendly. Its bottle size is also very pocket friendly, that you can put it in your bag or purse on the go, and you can reapply it anywhere you want it. So, and to remember, keep in mind one thing, that every product that I recommend to you people is tried and tested by me, and all these products by SL Basics are highly recommended by me. Even the soap rug mud mask, the vitamin C serum, and the red rush tint, all these are highly recommended by me. So now, as you have seen the pigment of the red rush tint, so all the three products of SL Basics are best, and the combo of the vitamin C and the soap rock mud mask works very best for the people who have uneven skin tone. It evens out your skin tone gradually, and if you apply it like for 1 month daily, it like gives you the best effect. So the soap rock mud mask and the vitamin C combo is highly recommended for people who have uneven skin tone, and red rush tint is also highly recommended for teenagers and anybody who wants a natural pink effect for them. So you can see the packaging, and once again I would like to thank you all the people who have supported me, my friends, my family, all the beautiful aunties and my uncles for supporting me, and keep supporting me in future. And if you have any suggestions for me to review, I would try my best to review anything that you would suggest. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and comment in the comment box, and share this video.